Hey there, welcome to Taste and Flavors. Today I have for you a very easy and a quick, unique recipe, a consolidation of paratha and pizza. Today I have for you pizza paratha. Trust me guys, it's a great attraction for kids, an ideal recipe if your kids are back from school and they need something different, a very unique way of serving your kids with loads of vegetables. So if you like what you see so far, then please keep watching the video. For the complete ingredient list, you may check the description box. The first step is to knead the dough, for which I have taken wheat flour and all-purpose flour, and I've added to it some salt, mixed it really well, and some oil. Using water, I'm going to knead a nice and soft dough. It doesn't have to be too hard or too soft, like a medium texture dough. Once your dough is ready, using some dry flour, we are going to knead this, for which I have divided the total dough into two equal parts, and I'm going to make nice balls out of it, smooth balls, so that there are no cracky edges. And using the dry flour, I'm going to roll out two chapatis. I'll try to make it as equal in circle as possible to one another. But even if you don't get exact equal circles, don't worry, I have a trick for you. Pretty soon in this recipe, I'll be sharing it with you. So just using dry flour, roll it out. Try to put a bit of the pressure on the edges so you get a nice smooth roti. Similarly, I'll go ahead and roll the other one as well. Now here I have to cook this slightly, for which I have heated a griddle and I am going to place the first roti on top of this. You can just see that I will be turning it. I don't want brown spots, I just want it to turn to a white color so that it becomes firm, just as you see in the clipping. That's exactly what I need. This is what I'm going to go do with both of them and just cook it slightly. Now once I have this ready, I'll create my sauce, for which I have some sriracha sauce and pizza sauce. Both of them are ready made, and I'm going to mix all of them together. Now on one of them, I'm going to smear about 2 tablespoons of this sauce. Just make sure you're pretty even. Don't go too much on the sides, because eventually once you add the veggies, it shall be pressed and it will go on the sides. Now these are the vegetables that I have added, but trust me, you can go ahead, customize it as per your own choice. You can even go ahead, add some salami or shredded chicken or anything, any topping of your choice, or maybe just simply cheese. It's just up to you. Now I have some grated cheese here. I'm going to put this as well. This is the quantity of cheese that I desire to put in my paratha, but you can definitely go ahead, add loads of cheese to it, some mozzarella. And next I'm going to season it with Italian herbs and some crushed red chilies. Now I will cover it with the other roti that we prepared earlier. And moving back to the gas stove, I'm going to brush some oil on a non-stick pan, and I will place this prepared paratha on top of it. Now I'm going to cook this on each side until it catches nice golden brown spots. This has to be done on a low flame so that you can get a crispy edge. Now here, just to remove the excess one to get the best equal circle possible, I'm using this pizza cutter, as you can see, and I'm just going to remove the excess. Brush the other side as well with some oil and flip it over. You need to do this on a low flame so that you can get a crisp covering and the cheese gets all melted and the vegetables will also get slightly softened. Here you have your pizza paratha absolutely ready to be served. It is perfect as it is. You really don't need any dip alongside. I hope you like this recipe. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you pretty soon. You guys have a good day. Bye bye.